What if I told you that you don't need an expensive learning tablet or a fancy device to get AI-powered homework help? Would you believe me? Today, I'm going to build a DIY AI study desk, a super smart learning machine. It can go through your textbooks, explain the key points, answer your questions, and help you with any subject. And the best part? It doesn't cost much. And you don't need any coding skills at all. Let me show you how to build it. First, we'll need an AI app and a CZUR Fancy S Pro. This isn't just a scanner. Once we turn on its video display mode, it shows sharp, real-time images. We can annotate and draw on them instantly, without having to adjust the angle over and over. Plus, you can adjust the light brightness directly through the software, so we never have to worry about dim lighting or blurry pictures. Next, open an AI tool like Doubao. Just ask the AI, can you see what's on a book right now?
Yes, I can. It's about some incidents in Rhode Island hospital and the impact of crisis.
No manual scanning, no taking photos and uploading them. Flip to any page and the AI recognizes it right away. The whole process is fully synced in real time. Let's start with a real test. Open up an article and the AI can read it and explain everything in detail right away.
These 2 pages introduce Andrew Pohl, a data expert at Target. Marketing colleagues asked if computers could figure out pregnant customers. Pohl, with a background in statistics, had experience in using data to analyze human behavior. Target had a vast amount of customer data, and by tracking purchase habits like buying new towels or unscented lotion, they aimed to predict customers' life events, such as pregnancy.
Break down the key sentences on these 2 pages of the book.
Key sentences, phrases. How Target knows what you want before you do. Can your computers figure out which customers are pregnant, even if they don't want us to know? To a statistician, this data was a magic window for peering into customers' preferences. By closely tracking people's buying habits, they could predict what people were purchasing in the future.
It highlights key phrases, breaks down long, then write out a math problem, and the AI will walk you through the solution step by step and give you the answer. Can you help me work out this math problem?
First, rewrite the circle equation in standard form to get the center and radius.
It's really that simple. Point 1 CZUR Fancy S Pro plus 1 AI tool equals your very own AI study desk. It's affordable, super easy to use, and it'll double your learning efficiency.